Go.
Good day. You're tuning into Amsterdam Central. I'm Rizal Ridan. Today is another day to learn about the arts and culture of Amsterdam. But before that, let me introduce to you Amsterdam. Amsterdam is the capital and the largest city in Netherlands. It is located south of North Holland and it has a population of 743,027 inhabitants. The city was founded in the late 12th century as a small fishing village. The historical century is renowned for its concentric canals, largely built during the Dutch Golden Age in 17th century. Don't you know that Amsterdam literally means Amsterdam? It came from the Latin word Amsterdami, meaning dam or dike of Amstel, wherein the name of the river, Amstel, can be dissected into Ami, meaning water, and Stil, meaning dry ground. It is a proud fact that just everyone in Amsterdam speaks English, but they also speak German and French. Now we bring to you Crystal K. Tumada, live in Duho, Fatima.